I'm going to show you guys how to promote a product for free and how to start up a blog article writing for free also. Now relax, even if you don't have any knowledge about all of these things and you're completely new, you're going to learn every single thing in just this video. All you have to do is just to stick to the end of this video. Now the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to use the first application that I showed you guys in the last video I made now, which is medium.com. Come to your Play Store and then type Medium, and this install, because yours is going to show install here. So this is the interface of the app. This is the interface of Medium. This is where you have your profile, so you tap on it, it's going to take you to your profile. So you can see this is how my article are here. This first one is what I'm going to show you guys how I did. So this is just what I did. Now one advantage of starting up with Medium as a new beginner is that it already has a lot of traffic. That means a lot of people are on Medium that are reading articles every single day. The next thing you have to do is to pick a niche. Everybody talks about this picking a niche, but it's actually true. You have to pick a topic that you want to be teaching people or be talking about, or you want to be reviewing. Think about it. Okay, what is it that you're good at? If let's say you're someone that is good at relationship, you can pick a relationship niche. Me being in making money online niche, I'm just going to show you example of how I made this article very easy. This is the article that we're going to look at, this particular one, and you can see this is what I came up with. Sites to make money online in 2024 no one talks about. Good. Don't be scared. You're not going to write all of these things. Don't worry. Let me show you guys. Now these are all the sites I wrote in the article. You can see all of them: Hawkit, Cheaper Data, my site, SiteGig, and then Cointeply. So these are all the sites. Now there's one thing I want you guys to understand here. If you should notice, all of this link of all of these sites, they are all affiliate links. You're getting the point? They are all affiliate links. This is just what people are doing. I just want you guys to really look at how to do all of these things. Don't belittle yourself. You can literally do what everybody is doing and keep on doing it with time, and you're going to get results. So now what I did was to go to all of these platforms, get my affiliate link, put it here, and then I am now going to write article about them. Now how do I write the articles about them? Because I know that I don't have time to like sit down and start writing how many numbers of words or articles. So simple, what you do simple is just copy. Let's say we're talking about Hawkit, we copy. I even have a video on that. We go to YouTube. Pay close attention. You go to YouTube, you paste it here, and then you see review. Yes, you tap on review. Now when you tap on review, you're going to literally just, I can't really play these videos because of copyright. So you can see this, something like this video now that is playing. What you're going to simply do is to listen to the video, listen to get all what the person is talking about in the video. If you get a very good video, then all you're simply going to do is to tap here on this dot. Let me show you guys. Tap on this dot, you copy the link of the video, you copy the link, or let's say share, then you copy the link of the video to your browser and then type in YouTube transcript. Yes, so this is the first YouTube transcript.com. You tap on this first link, and this is where you're going to put in the URL that you've copied from that YouTube video. You're going to paste it here. You paste the URL you've copied from that video. You're going to paste it and then tap on go. So you can see this is the review of that video, and you have everything written down, the transcript of the video. All you have to do now is that you already have an article. Simple. All you have to do is to come down here, down, and then copy the entire transcript. Copy to go back to your notepad, whatever notepad you have, open a new notepad and then paste it here. Now you have a full article already. So there's something you need to understand about writing articles in general. The reason why I didn't show you guys all of this AI article writing, give an AI to write all of these articles, is because Google actually knows all of these articles that are being written with AI, and they are going to use AI to fight AI. But if you use this strategy of getting articles from a video, the transcript from a video, you're getting a natural kind of article. just what someone is saying, literally just a video that is converted to text, and then you can now capitalize on that text, which has accurate reviews and detailed explanation of whatever you want to talk about. And then when you put it out there, Google is not going to detect that this is an AI. It's not gotten from the internet. There's no way the AI is going to like really just search and then find out that this is where this person got this article from the internet and AI like that. So this is the best way to get articles from the internet, even if you don't know how to write articles at all. And what you're going to do is to make sure that you make some edits, because it's very, very important to make an edit. See, this is what we've copied. Said, hi guys, Francis here. You can see this is now. What you have to do here is just to make your own touches, your own human touches. So you could just leave it the way it is here. You can say, hi, this is very natural. Hi, it's Francis. Hi guys, it's Francis. So you could just change your name. Let's say something like, hi guys, Victor here. Yeah, so things like this, you have to really go through this article that is giving you here. You're going to look for things like, okay, in this video you change it to article. I don't know how you understand. In this video you change it to article. So you have to carefully search and read through, remove things that you have to remove, and to edit things that you have to edit. Take off all videos and put article. Now you have to read through the article that you've gotten. Please see, don't be lazy. This is where you put in the little work. You didn't write this article by yourself. You got it for free, but at least work. Try to look at the things you're supposed to remove. Places for like videos, change it to article. Someone is reading, you now start to see things like in this video, you'll be like, that article I'm reading, why am I seeing in this video? It's not going to take you serious. So you need to really understand and work and adjust and modify the script well to become an article. Now if you should look at this article I wrote, I talked about like 4 applications, and every application has an explanation to it. So depending on the kind of article you want to write, you should kind of organize everything. So you should get an affiliate link or whatever you want people to click to find out about. You make sure you have all those links arranged and kept in a particular place. After you finish adjusting the articles, all you have to do is to now copy everything and then take it to your Medium. To do is just to copy all, select all, you copy it and then take it to Medium. Going to take it to Medium and then tap on this green icon below here. Tap on it, and this is where you're going to do all your writings. Now let's say for instance, now you can see you've posted everything here. Now one thing that you need to understand is that after people have read this thing and are convinced they want to join the platform or they want to buy a particular product that you have explained to them, try to make sure that you link the product or your affiliate product or whatever product you want people to click on, or where the site you want them to visit or anything. Make sure you link it. So what you simply do is, let's say you come down to a place, and then when just maybe do like something like, when you read the article well, look for a place that says, okay, if you're interested you can just click here. You could just click here, and then this is what you're going to use. So let's say we're now going to highlight all of these parts. Let's click here, parts, highlight it, and then come to this link and then paste the link here, paste it and then add. So you see it has already added, and then let's say you could just make it italic. Let's just make it italic. So that is just the thing. So you just make sure that you put the link, you link it back. You see how to link it back. This link here, this portion, this is here, this one, that's what you're going to tap. So you highlight it and then you link whatever you want people to link to where you want them to be. So when they click on it, it's going to take them to where you want them to be. So whether it's your affiliate link, whether it's a product, whether it's whatever. So after you've done that, when people have read it, you click on it and then boom, you are able to get people that will take actions when they wish to take action, or when they are convinced enough after reading it to take actions. So all you have to do next after you finish everything is to now, let's say you make a graphic. You can use Canva this particular graphic here. This is what I use Canva. I have videos. I'm going to put it in this description how to use Canva. So use Canva to create that graphic, and then all you have to do is when you have created the graphic, you can just come here, then slide down, put this, and then come to this image, and then choose from gallery, and then you select the image you want. Select the image you want. Let's say it's this. Select it, and then it's automatically going to post there. Use images, be creative, use images. It's has more effects when you use images. So after you finish everything, you just put on preview, tap on preview, and then you come here. You now select the topic. You select the topic. Something like me here is making money, so I'll come down here, money, and then put in other topics. Let's say if it's relationship, you put relationship. Affiliate marketing, you put affiliate marketing. This put up to 5. It helps you search when people are searching for the particular topic. This publication, you just leave it the way it is, and then you come down and then tap on publish now, and it's automatically going to publish. So let's go. I don't want to publish this, just for an example, and then you're going to see it just like these articles here, the ones I've just done. Yes, something like this. So let me show you guys an example. So you see this article now. Whenever anyone comes here and then it reads, okay, well, I'll hook it. Okay, sorry, my battery got low. You tap on hook it, and then it's going to take the person to hook it with my own affiliate link. So you can get the whole concept. You can get the whole concept. Whoever register under me is I'm going to make money. Whoever is going to buy particular product under me, I'm going to make money. So that is just the whole brain behind all of this. Everything is just all about how you use your brain, how you use things. So now, after writing all these articles, you take the link of this article that you've written on your Medium, and then start to post it using the strategy that I showed you guys in the last affiliate marketing promotion videos. You can post it on Facebook free. You can post it on your WhatsApp free. There are people that they want to learn about certain things. So when they read this article, they go there and they are interested. They click on, they read everything that you've written there or you've gotten and put in, and then when they click on where they want to agree to buy, when they buy something or when they register on something, you're going to get money. So this is how you make money. It's strategy. It's all about strategy. It's all about using your brains. So that is just the thing. I want you guys to go out there and do more than what I've just taught you guys. So just go out, use this information, and then try to just win. So see you guys in the next video. I just hope you love this one. If you want me to make more videos like this, comment down. I'm always ready to make videos like this to help you guys, and see you guys in the next videos. I love you guys, and this series is going to continue, so see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe and share with your friends. Please like this video. Even if you don't want to subscribe, just like the video, please. It's really going to help